We lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die.
Hey guys, it's Roland here. So today I'm going to share 4 things with you that is just totally screwing up your confidence and is making you look weak as a man. So if you fix these 4 things today, I promise you people are going to perceive you as a lot more confident. So mistake number 1, you don't have an opinion. Let me try and explain this to you with an example. So let's pretend that a girl asks you, what's your favorite country in the world that you travel to? And you reply with, actually, you know what, New Zealand is my favorite country. I really love New Zealand. And she's like, I don't know, New Zealand, it's quite cold there. I don't really like it. And then you make the mistake with, actually, you know what, yeah, I don't really like the cold. I think you're right. New Zealand is my favorite. I go with Australia. The problem with this is you know, you're not sticking to your opinion. So, and people do this because they don't want to upset the other person. And this just makes you look so much more weaker, and people are just going to lose respect for you. What you should do instead is stick with your opinion, and even if the girl disagrees with you, she'll respect you more for it because you have an actual opinion and you're not changing it to please her. Guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, comment below. If you haven't already, subscribe so that you don't miss future content. Anyway, let's continue the video. Mistake number 2, don't change your plans. So I remember when I was in high school, I had a rugby game scheduled on a Wednesday, and there was also this girl that I really liked. Now, on that day, she actually asked me if I wanted to go hang out. And she actually put me in the friend zone, and I only realized afterwards what my mistake was. My mistake was that I changed my plans to please her, and she knew she could just order me around whenever she wanted to. So what you need to do is whenever you make plans, you need to stick with them. And if someone asks you to do something with them, or you know, they ask you to do something in general, say no. Don't change your plans to go do what they want to do. It's just a weak thing. It makes you look like you don't have a life. So when you stick with your plans and you say no to whoever is asking you, you know, you are perceived as a guy that actually does something and you know, has a life, and you know, wouldn't just change that to please someone else. So this can only be an attractive thing, and people are going to respect you more for it.
We are just shadows. It's supposed to be that we die. It doesn't matter if there is no light.
Shit man, my tripod just broke. I've only got like one leg left. Anyway, the video continues. The third mistake, do not play the victim. So someone who plays the victim is, you know, someone that, let's pretend that something just bad happened in their lives. You know, a victim would blame someone or blame it on something and not actually take responsibility for whatever happened. And look, I get it, shit happens in your life, but you can't go and blame people. You can't, you know, play the victim. Just like my tripod just broke. You know, I'm not going to go and blame my next door neighbor for it. You know, that is playing the victim. What you need to do instead is ask yourself the question. Okay, well, actually, first you need to accept reality, first of all, okay, because you can't do anything about it. Just like this corona thing happening right now, you can't do anything about it. So stop moaning. Ask yourself the question, what can I do next to make my situation better? How can I actually fix this? When you ask yourself these questions, your brain switches on and you actually, you know, you start thinking of solutions.
'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. And we survive.
So we just managed to get a few drone shots before the sun sets. It's slowly getting dark right now. So the fourth and final weakness is eye contact. Now, everybody knows that eye contact is important, but a lot of people get it wrong. When someone looks at you, when someone is talking to you, you look them in the eyes until they look away. That will just show that you have so much confidence when you can actually look someone in the eye. And I recommend actually just looking them in the one eye so your eyes don't go like this all the time. But anyway, the point is it's very easy. You just need to look them in the eye and keep looking in the eye while they're talking to you, and only when they basically look away, then you look away to the side. Obviously don't look up or down because that's just a bit weird, but just to the side, like you're noticing something behind them. Right guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. If you made it to the end, I really appreciate you guys. If you haven't done so already, subscribe, because I will launch a brand new video every Tuesday and you do not want to miss it. I will talk to you in the next video, and welcome to Pro-Drenalin.